guys, a very good morning. So today we are going to prepare mutton biryani, which is one of the most loved dish by everybody. So let's go and see how to prepare mutton biryani in a very easy way, in a quicker way. Let's go. So the first thing is I have taken 250 grams of mutton, it needs to be cleaned with turmeric and salt. So this is the mutton that I have taken. It is 250 grams. So coming to the veggies part, this is mint leaves and one sliced green chili and 2 chopped onions and 1 chopped tomatoes and coriander leaves. And right now we are going to look at the spices. Let's count from here. This is cardamom, and this is mace, and this is star anise and cinnamon, and this is cloves, and this is fennel seeds, and this is bay leaves, and here we have taken garlic with grated ginger, and here this is raisins and cashew, and here we are taking this black pepper powder 1 teaspoon and 2 teaspoons of red chili powder and salt to taste and garam masala 2 teaspoons. So this is our spices and veggies and ingredients for our mutton biryani. Soak rice, 2 cups of rice for 1 hour. Keep aside this rice, soaked rice. The first step is we need to cook the mutton. We're going to place the cooker in it. And so right now we are going to add this mutton in the cooker, cleaned mutton. So we have added here half a teaspoon of red chili powder and half teaspoon of garam masala powder and half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. So now we're gonna cook this mutton. So we're gonna pour a little bit of water for the mutton to cook. Well, so we have closed the lid and we will cook this mutton. Now the mutton is cooked now for 4 whistles. It is cooked nice. So I'm going to take this mutton and keep aside. So right now we are going to heat a pan and we are going to prepare the curry. So heat the stove and place the pan. Then add oil to the pan. Once the oil get heated up, add the spices one by one. We are adding the star anise, and we are adding the mace, and we are adding the cinnamon, and we are adding the cloves, the bay leaves. Add the fennel seeds now. Add green chilies. Add 1 cup of sliced onions to the pan and saute it well. Saute the onions well in a low flame till the onion turns golden red. Add 2 cardamoms. Now add cashew and the raisins. Now add the sliced tomatoes to the curry. Now add the garlic cloves and ginger paste. Add 1 teaspoon salt to taste. Add 1 tablespoon black pepper powder and 1 tablespoon red chili powder, and then add 1 tablespoon garam masala powder to the curry. Saute the curry well until the raw flavor goes off from the curry. Now let's open and see how the mutton is cooked. Just look, the mutton is cooked well, really well. The mutton is cooked now. So this will go for our biryani. So right now, this is the veggies that we have prepared. Now we are going to transfer this veggies curry to our pressure cooker. Our masala is well cooked now. Add little salt to taste. I have kept this rice soaked for an hour. So we are going to add this soaked rice to this biryani curry. So our biryani will be ready in a couple of minutes. I'm going to transfer this. We have added rice to the curry. Then I'm adding a glass of water to this to cook. Now we are going to add the mint leaves to it, and then we're gonna add little coriander leaves to it. Now we are going to close the lid and cook this biryani for 10 minutes. Now our biryani is really cooked, and let's open and see. This is our aromatic biryani. So our biryani is well cooked now. Now let's add our finely chopped coriander leaves and mix it with the biryani. So that's it. Our biryani is ready for serving. Let's have a look at our biryani. Our delicious mutton biryani is ready now.
Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. If you like my videos, please do share it. Thank you.